Hello folks, I'm stood here in Tadcaster next to this old viaduct behind me. It was built in the 1800s and it's still standing today. Now most people look at structures like this and think about the engineering that built it. But what's really kept it standing all these years is something far less glamorous. That's maintenance. The Tadcaster viaduct has had major work over the years, particularly after the 2015 floods. Repairs to the stonework, vegetation cleared away, strengthening of the piers with concrete underpinning and improved drainage across the structure. Someone has been inspecting it, maintaining it and protecting it for generations. And it's exactly the same with schools, care homes and commercial buildings. The best maintenance, in my view, is often invisible when it's done properly. Nobody notices. But when it isn't done properly, that's when the leaks appear, the systems fail and safety risks start to creep in. Good facilities teams don't just fix problems, they prevent them. Because looking after buildings and structures isn't really about bricks, stone and concrete. It's about protecting the people who rely on those spaces every single day. I'll see you next time.